Hello friends and welcome back to the Directly Then channel. So friends, today I will talk about NZXT Reimagined H5 Flow Mid Tower ATX case. So friend, NZXT has announced next generation of the H5 Flow Compact Mid Tower ATX case, and the latest iteration built upon the legacy of NZXT most below case, enhancing its cooling capabilities to create the ultimate H5 flow. And the new H5 flow significantly improve cooling potential while maintaining its compact mid-tower PC case. Compact mid-tower form, it support up to 8 120 fans, including two above the mesh PSU shrouds for enhanced GPU cooling and ultra-fine mesh on the top, front, and side panel. Optimize airflow while filtering dust, and additionally, it recommended up to 360 radiator in the front, allowing user to efficiently cool high-end CPUs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.